Hi guys, welcome back. So now what we're going to do is our applique, and I chose a black fabric for intention. I'll let you know, you'll see why. So if I wanted to draw something on top of this, or if I wanted to trace out, let's say maybe a rectangle or a triangle, how would I do that? So to do that, I go here on the pattern itself, and then I draw, let's say I want something that is, or maybe no. Let me do, I'm going to do like a heart, right? So hold, curve, and then I'm going to do the copy. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to say mirror paste. So now we have something like this, and I can join these points, or no, excuse. Hi guys, if you're enjoying this course, be sure to check out my course on Udemy. It's only $14. It's the masterclass for CUTOUTS, and also I have a masterclass with connecting STYLE3D to Blender 3D. So be sure to check those courses out. I'm going to leave the link. Please, that's the only way you can support me, because I'm offering this here for free. So if you want to support me, go over there and buy my other courses. Thank you very much, and let's get back to learning. I can choose these 2 points, and then merge them together, and then I have a heart, right? So I'm going to choose this heart, and I'm going to say cut and sew. Okay, wait, before I do that, I can say trace as pattern. Okay, I can pick the whole heart, and then I can say cut and sew. Oh, it said cut failed. Why? Because of this. So you have to make sure that these are not crossing each other, right? So for that, I'm going to just merge the 2 points, and let's see here, curve. We have edit curve. I kind of want it not to be intersecting here. I don't know if you see. So I'm moving this away from the other. so that when I say let's cut it, I'm going to here it cut out and it became a pattern. If you say curtain, so you can also say convert to whole, and you have a little sweetheart hole here, right? But that's not what we want. I'm going to just cut and sew. And then for this fabric, I'm going to give it a different fabric. Let's say I give it a white, right? And let's see if we chose so you do the same for the other side, because I don't have on asymmetric you know, this can't happen. So let me move this. Oh, yeah. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste this side, and it's going to come as a hole, right? So I'm going to say mirror, and I'm going to have to manually sew this one, because the other one did its own sewing. Yeah, and if I wanted to make this color different color, I would go back here to the color and let's make it a red. Oh, it's so cute. Let's make this color let me change the color of this top. No, not this one. It's so cute. So you see, I've added applique, guys. I think by now you can make your own applique. You know how to make holes and whatever. So yeah, see you in the next class. In the next class we are going to be doing freehand pattern making. That means drawing on the dummy. So see you then.